HeyGen free. Hey guys, today I'll show you 2 ways to use HeyGen for free. But what is HeyGen? It's a cool AI tool that turns still images into talking avatars. You can make long-form video content with an AI as your speaker. They have a lot of templates with avatars you can use. This way, you won't have to get in front of the camera. So how do you get free credits? You can get them in a few ways. One way is by inviting friends. Go to Present and click there. When your friends sign up and make their first video or subscribe to HeyGen, you earn credits. When your friend signs up and makes a video, you get 1 credit, up to 10 each month. If they subscribe, you get 3 credits with no limit. These referral credits last for a month. Click Copy Invitation to send your friends the link. Another way to get free credits is account stacking. When you join HeyGen, you get 2 free credits. Once you've spent those credits, it's time for more. Start by logging out of HeyGen. Then, head over to Google and type in Temp Mail. The first link you see will help you get a temporary email address. Next, copy the email you find on that site. Now, it's time to sign up for HeyGen using this special email. When you do, HeyGen will send you a code to verify your account. Copy that code from your email, paste it in HeyGen, and you're nearly there. Set a password for your account and fill in some details. Once you've done that, hit the Submit button. You'll see 2 fresh credits waiting for you to start creating again. And when those are used up, you can repeat this process to keep getting more credits for free. If you want to use HeyGen, make sure to use the link in the description down below. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.